This is kind of current website that I'm using right now. It's still has some work to be done on it, so I was going to be using this to kind of explain everything that's inside here. So, okay, first thing on the list is using text links. So, remember this one, just take a, just for text, just go over the text like this in live view, live. Go to the HUD, go into the HUD, select the text, and just link it. So I'll just link into the home page here. I can make a new, page, but I mean, So yeah, see, it's how it changed now. It's blue and has the underline on it. So that's how to make the text link. I'm just gonna undo it here. Okay, it's undone. And as for the image link, it's kind of the same thing with HUD. So just go into body. In fact, you know what? I'll just go into footer and Command Option I right there. Okay, so I'm just going to use an example of how I was doing things like the Facebook or stuff like that for like my navbar, because if you actually look here for my navbar, they have cancel this. That's probably you messaging me right now. So like here for the navbar, how I have all these things here, how I'm going to make links to them specifically is I just go into body. So yeah, once again, footer, Control Option I, well, Windows, Command Option I for Macs. So linked the Facebook image there. So there, see, I make another Facebook image. So what I have to do now is I have to just go into the internet. It's going to take us our tab open. I just type in Facebook. Okay, so yeah, just copy that there. And in the properties panel, I'm pretty sure you know how to get this now by now. So in the properties panel for a link, just copy and paste it. So and enter here. Now it's now it's a link. See? So if I do control, click it, well, option click on the Windows, then yeah, see, I have Facebook now. Okay, so sorry, it's kind of sticking. So I'm just gonna delete that now. I don't really need it. I'll just show an example. Okay, so that's the first one. What I'm going to do now is, well, I'm just going to save that back to the other so that I won't have to mess up anything. So save all. Next thing on the list was tunnels to links to larger elements. I'm going to go into that later because that one's actually kind of need to actually do some prep work for that one. I'll do that one last. Okay, use an anchor link. Okay, so how we do the anchor link now is very simple. We just go into an element, like anything, could be an image, could be text, could be anything really. So we just ID it. So let's call it hashtag anchor. So simple like that. And now we make it like a link to it. So we could even use anything within navbar to this to link the pictures, anything. So let's just use this for example. So welcome to, and then we're going to the properties panel, and then for link we'll just put hashtag anchor. Now it's a link, so let's try it out here. So command click, and there we go. That's what's an anchor link. It anchors down to something that's internal on the page. Another name for them are basically internal links. So yeah, that's how you make that one now. Okay, so the next thing you want me to do was anchor use class. We literally just use like a billion classes, IDs, type groups, and all that kind of stuff. I also use class and IDs, type groups, and descendant and pseudo class. Okay, pseudo class selectors are we can't use them all the time. Basically, you know how we do the whole hover hashtag semicolon hover thing? That is a pseudo class. Basically, anything that has anything that has like this in it, like the hash, like the semicolon, that is a pseudo class selector. Okay, so the next thing was CSS comment tags. Really simple, just go into here, go to the CSS, and basically just do a comment for something like, okay, this is the background picture for this, so what I could do something simple is just say, type in background image, and then I'll just create a comment for it, so I could see this, I'll apply comment, so I could just kind of select this and then hit this part now, apply. These are the comments you want. These are the CSS comments. So now say I'll just grayed out, so that means it's a comment now. So something just anything like that. So do it. Okay, so what was the next thing now? Was okay, PDF download button or email link. This is the email link one time. The email link is body. So let's go to the body first. So I do in the body one time. So inserts, email link, and just type in like a fake website, fake website, fake email, like I made training music talent at gmail.com for my thing. So you could just take like I use for my email link, I use an image here, so I would like that. This is what this is for. So what to do is basically just we'll basically select something. So just like this word, for example, experience. Oh my god, experience, and just back to insert email link. There we go. That's it. That's the email link now. Click that and that's the mail to stuff, all that. So yeah, that's how it should work. I'll undo that, and last is the before the other ones now, the PDF download button. Yeah, this is basically just linking a file to a button, to something. So let me just go in like Illustrator here. I'm gonna save this entire thing as a PDF. Save as PDF. Actually, no, it should be inside here, my website too. And I was gonna write it down and save it. Yeah, save it here. Yeah, save PDF, do all that. Now once again, just gonna link it to a Word. So could be an image, could be anything. Like I made an image for mine before, but whatever. So just click this now, and then just go into the file now, and we're just going to use the pointer tool now. That's a lot easier. So we just use pointer tool. So with this word selected, use the pointer tool, click assets, and there we go. Well, now that's the AI file, and tap PDF file here, and yeah, that's it. This is now a download button. If we click this, to download the PDF one time. Okay, the last thing I wanted to do was the thumbnail links to large elements. Okay, this is mostly for images, so I'm just going to add an image here. I want to make an tiny paragraph here because this I really don't want to put any more things in this footer. This makes it a little more complicated. Let's look at it down to the paragraph afterwards. So paragraph. So I mean inserts. Paragraph. Command Option I. So yeah, just use this Facebook. Just leave this text here, makes it a bit simpler to see overall. Okay, so you have this now. So what, let me just go to my file itself. Images. Yeah. So this is my separate folder. So what you could do is just have images, and what you could do is you could try and have like a separate, two separate folders, could make things easier to look over later on. So let's make a second folder. Let's see, image. It's thumbnails, because thumbnails are supposed to be thumbnails are supposed to be the small version of the image. So let's go take that, and let's take something like, I know this. How large is this? 5184 megapixels by 3456. That's perfect. So I'm going to copy it inside of here. And once again, these are where all our thumbnails are going. So all the images in here are supposed to be smaller. So I just open up something like Paint. Let's drag here. And I don't see it. I'll just resize it to be like about, I know, 200 pixels horizontally. Yeah, I'll just save that right there. So yeah, I'll have the different image in this. Sorry for the confusion. So I'm just delete all that stuff that was there. So Command Option I. So if there isn't like any sound disturbances, I'm pretty much having the mic in one hand and everything else with the other hand. So thumbnails. We click that now, the thumbnail there. So that's how small it is on that side. So what we do now is go to links, and what's the name of that again? Always name your images something just kind of easy to remember. Just like how I named this one home background, home BK. So yeah, what was this now? This was, okay, image. I'm just going to call it, open it. I'm just going to call it, there's what I want, like that really not care. So yeah, just have that there. So now we just link this to that image. So files, images, and okay, that's the file right there. So we're just gonna link this. So pointer tool, link it to there, and just go into here now. So we'll see whatever. Okay, so cannot see anything. It's just so small. Literally everything is just so small. Like parent self blank. Okay, you're gonna, yeah, you just do blank for this. You gotta change this to blank. That way you go into a completely new page. You don't come out of this page when you go to see the full image. This page is the same way. You just make us a next tab basically. So you click that, and let me try. Yeah, this is really big. Yeah, this is the image. So alt back. So yeah, that's how a thumbnail works with the entire larger image. So that's how that one works. So yeah, those are basically all. Wait, no, you told me all the tags. Yeah, the other tags. No, that's not that. Okay, so I can just look it up, and how, well, descendant selectors are basically just selectors that have two parts to them in more specific order. Kind of like how we have here is footer image. Or this is specifically talking about the images within the footer, because if you have the footer as a tag selector here, right here, and if you have images as selector, but this is basically one selector, aka the image, with inside another part of the selector, which is the footer. So this is this image right here is basically descendant selector. And as for group selectors, those are basically selectors that are supposed to be for things that are just in groups overall. Like for example, how here in my source code you can see inside my article I have, yeah, as I'm I have an H2, an H6, a paragraph, and an H1. So to select the basically to change the general outset of all of them, I just need to make a selector for my article, which is something I did already. So like yeah, this is the class of my selector. This is the class of my article is on. Like see, I click this and everything inside the article here is selected. The H2, H6s, H1s, Ps, whatever, everything inside that. That's basically what a group selector is. So yeah, those that basically covers everything, to be honest. So yeah, good night.